What's up, Star Status? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka is the Benz Man. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the 11 things or 11 facts you didn't know about Mercedes Benz. I mean, some of them, for all us true Mercedes Benz heads, I think we already knew this, but some of these on this list are surprising. So if you are new to the channel, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. You know I show Mercedes Benz content and reaction videos from time to time. So for all my day ones, thanks for sticking around and watching these videos. We are almost at 10K subscribers, y'all. So let's get into it. So Mercedes Benz, when they came out with the iconic SL with the Gullwing doors, oh, they look so lovely. When they came out with this, they were the first one to have the doors that go up in the air like that. You know, dubbed the Gullwing doors. But the only thing about this was it was a hazard, because if the car flipped, there was no way out. You would be stuck in the car. So what they did later on with the SLS, they had an eject button. So if it lands upside down, y'all, if it lands upside down, you could press the eject button and the doors would indeed slide open and you could still get out. So what's first things first is a lot of people think Mercedes Benz that don't know but kind of know, they kind of think they invented the first car. But what a lot of people don't know is they actually invented the first motorcycle. When Daimler created a vertical one-cylinder engine in 1885, it ran on gasoline. He stuck it into a wooden frame based off of a bicycle. You know, they're always ahead of the curve. And spoiler alert, they are a first for a lot of things. Okay, so that motorcycle goes hand in hand with this. They introduced the modern automobile to the world. Yes, so despite what you heard, they really are the true inventors of the first automobile on the road that you see today. So a lot of people could say, oh, they're copying Porsche design with the AMG GT. Oh, they're copying this. Guess what, y'all? Everybody copied Mercedes Benz with making a car in the first place. So go figure. All right, so Carl Benz patented his three-wheeled petrol-powered motor wagon in 1886. But that just go to show y'all sometimes, so you could patent it. So patent and copyrights and things like that are a lot different. So yes, you could patent this design, but you couldn't copyright and stop other car manufacturers from coming out with a car. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz made a hybrid vehicle in 1906, y'all. Yes, you are reading that correct. They did make a hybrid vehicle in 1906. We all like to look of it and think of it as new, but back then, Mercedes-Benz was just experimenting with a lot of things. So they would often put the gasoline with the electric and try to see what worked and figure it out. As stated, early car companies toyed with a mixture of electric and gasoline powered vehicles before pure petrol powered engines took over, and Mercedes-Benz mixture model was their first true hybrid. So yes, a lot of things Mercedes-Benz can just say, we did it first, just like this. Another thing on the list, they were one of the first to stick brakes and suspension on all 4 wheels. So, you know, sometimes when you read your Mercedes-Benz, your S-Class, or you were just scrolling, looking at a used car, do you ever see where it say independent link suspension, multi-link suspension? So that goes to show you and tell you what kind of suspension you have and how the suspension is working all together. So they were one of the first to stick it on all 4 wheels, because back in the days, you know, it was still new. They were still coming out with things, so they wasn't on all 4 wheels. I think you had one for the front and one for the back, helping to solidify the company's commitment to safety. And yes, even today, they are considered, you know, to have some of the safest vehicles around, even to this date. So even right here, you see this color, you see that iconic silver, my S550 coupe underneath the wrap, yes, is indeed one of these silvers. So this is how it became more known and more popular from the race. So what's crazy about this is the car actually came in overweight for the race, and it was a white color, and they just kind of scraped the paint off the unveil like a silver, and when they raced with the silver, it won the race. And that's how it became, you know, so iconic. Safety for Mercedes. Crumble zones appeared first on a Mercedes-Benz. So you ever see the cars when they're out and you see a crash and they just fold up like that the way they are? Hey, that started with Mercedes Benz. Commitment to safety. There are a lot of firsts for a lot of cars, so that's why I say when a lot of people say Mercedes Benz copied this car or that car, it doesn't really matter. I said it once and I say it again. They all copied Mercedes anyway. And the crumble zones, help the force of the impact. So the car would crumble and take most of the impact on the car. So next up, the high performance tuning arm. AMG started in a German garage. It started, yes, in a German garage. And so if you know the true history behind Mercedes Benz, you would know that they never wanted their cars to be fast. And that's why AMG and faster cars didn't come around till later. But yes, that's understandable. It could start in a garage because essentially all it was a tuning company for the brand. And so what a lot of people need to do that like other car brands in general, we all need to start giving the S-Class its flowers. I even state it's better than a Rolls Royce. It's better than a Bentley in the tone of it sets the standard of what a new luxury car should have on the market. Now remember, it might not be better because the other cars cost more, but the Mercedes-Benz S-Class set the standard in new technology and everything that the other cars would get. Just like that with the brakes. So next up, y'all, so certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz cars come with an unlimited mileage warranty. I bet some of y'all didn't know that. So regardless of how you drive it, when you drive it, where you drive it, if you get a certified pre-owned, yes, then your car will have an unlimited mileage warranty if you get it from the dealership. And also another thing, let's just say your battery go out. Let's just say you get stuck, but you bought your car from the dealership. Yes, you can call them and they will tow your car to the dealership free of charge. So if you don't have AAA or towing for any chance, yes, they will come get it. All right, so this one is a big thing for me. I often go back and forth with people over this. Mercedes-Benz first unveiled a self-driving car over 2 decades ago. Like I knew this, you knew this, especially all us true Mercedes-Benz fans. Self-driving cars are having their moment now. But way back in the 90s, Mercedes-Benz developed an autonomous system installed in a 1995 W140 S-Class. The S-Class always gets this stuff. And next up is all CPO cars are certified and reconditioned by skilled Mercedes-Benz technicians. So if y'all don't know, when someone comes in and trade in a car, most lots, they just put it right on the lot like that and they'll call it as is. But when you bring it into the Mercedes-Benz dealership, yes, they recondition it. They bring it back. They give you new brakes, new tires on a used car. So that's a really good thing because it's almost like you're buying it new and experiencing it. So signing off, Benz Man.